Z-Tronix is an ISO-certified, family-owned manufacturer of electromechanical assemblies and electromechanical component distributor, proudly based in the U.S. We're strategically based in a 20,000 square feet manufacturing facility located in Paramount, California in the heart of LA, near the largest port in the country. In addition, Z-Tronix holds an 80,000 square feet maquiladora in Tecate, Mexico. This competitive advantage allows us to stock over $1.5 million worth of inventory, employ over 140 IPC expert-trained individuals, operate at larger capacities and grant cost savings to our customers. Our number one goal is exceptional quality and customer satisfaction through our multiple compliances and certifications, including our ISO 9001:2015 quality system. Z-Tronix is unique because for over 30 years, we've been known for our ease to shift at any stage of the process per customer demand, for our comprehensive industry and product knowledge, for our ease to identify cost-cutting strategies for customers, and for our A through Z, one-stop shop, turnkey production services. In our wire, cable and electromechanical components distribution division, Z-Tronix distributes the quality and brand-recognized components used in wire harnesses, such as UL-listed hookup wire, cable, electrical terminals, pins, contacts, connectors, switches, heat shrink tubing, high-temp sleeving, labels and tie racks. With large amounts of stocked products, contract partnerships with raw material manufacturers, distributors in China, we are sure to find the right solution for your needs. Because we take pride in our quality products, we provide A through Z engineering services, starting with a first article inspection and continuing with turnkey production. We can provide samples based on schematics, CAD drawings, Gerber files, and prototypes to make everything one seamless ordering process. In addition to our engineering services and ISO 9001 quality management system, we multi-phase test through calibration, pull test, high pot test, 100% testing and final inspection to abide to our zero defect facility pledge. At Z-Tronix's wire harness and cable assembly division, custom solutions have been manufactured for equipment manufacturers in the appliance, lighting, HVAC, commercial truck, factory automation, and the pool and spa industry. Z-Tronix is fortunate to count on a deep arsenal of specialty tooling for flat, round and ribbon cable assemblies, automated wire and cable, cut, strip and crimp machinery, and ultrasonic splicing machinery. Other specialty solutions we can manufacture include overmolded connectors and potting for rugged applications. At our electromechanical box build assembly division, we handle custom solutions for equipment manufacturers that may require design and engineering services, component procurement and sub-assembly installation, routing of cables and wires, software loading and product configuration, testing, and custom label, package and deliver for customer convenience. At our printed circuit board assembly division, we're capable of designing, prototyping and manufacturing PCBs with IPC 610 quality. We count on the machinery in an IPC 610 certified workforce capable of solder paste printing, pick and place 15K components per hour, 0201 technology, SMT and through whole component assembly. At our magnetic components division, we custom design, prototype, manufacture, stock and distribute UL recognized, laminated, low frequency transformers, various shaped high frequency transformers, toroidal and EE shaped power inductors, nanocrystalline and ferrite 1 and 3 phase common mode chokes, and lastly, air coils, reactors, filters, differential chokes and auto transformers. The last division on our list is where we manufacture North American, international and custom power cords. Our standard products include NEMA 515 and 115 plugs for industrial and hospital grade applications. We can design or redesign any custom plug for any cable application where there may be custom cables, coiled cables and a requirement for strain relief cord connectors. At Z-Tronix we strive to make buyers and engineers' lives easier through our enhanced ERP system. This is where we offer inventory management and stocking programs for customers concerned with keeping their inventory levels minimal on their shop floor. Other solutions Z-Tronix is capable of offering for unique and custom requirements include the coiling of cables, outside weather and oil-resistant jacketing, custom printing, stamping and labeling, custom color spiral striping and dyeing, twisting, kitting and sorting of solutions, and re-spooling to any specific length. Where other manufacturers see problems, we see solutions. We are problem solvers manufacturing custom solutions for your wiring needs. You name it, we do it. All you have to do now is answer, what can Z do for you?